Shazo containers, the perfect solution for food storage. Tall and slim make them great for smaller spaces. Airtight lids are interchangeable, which makes matching lids to containers simple. The dual lid openings allow for easy access and an easy pour or straining solution. The stackable design saves even more space, and the free waterproof chalkboard labels make categorizing items easy. The containers and lids are freezer, refrigerator, and top rack dishwasher safe. The Shazo containers are the solution to any pantry.
Personal portable oven. It's a great way to conveniently cook your fresh, refrigerated, or frozen meals while preserving food moisture and enhancing flavor. This convenient bag can be taken wherever you like to go. Cooking is as simple as plugging it in. It takes 2 to 3 hours to cook raw from scratch food, but frozen meat takes a little longer, from 3 to 4 hours. It reheats leftovers in 30 to 40 minutes. The food can be stored as many different ways. No matter who you are or what you do, allow this to provide you
The Canning Funnel, an innovative kitchen product from Progressive to help you preserve the seasons. We could never eat all the apples off our apple trees, and finally, a few years ago, I started making applesauce and canning it. Now, as a relative newcomer to the world of canning, I know that there's a lot to learn about the process and that having the right tools can make a big difference. Canning can be a messy job, and the Canning Funnel from Progressive makes that job not only easier, but cleaner too. Its unique double wall design keeps the jar rim clean and keeps the inside rim of the funnel off the countertop. This is a wonderful food safety feature. Also, the outer rim has headspace measurement markings, so you can quickly see when your jar is filled to the correct level. The funnel fits both regular and wide-mouth jars. Oh, and did I mention that the Canning Funnel is dishwasher safe? My homemade applesauce has been a big hit with my extended family. Who knows what I'll be canning next? Maybe peach chutney. Check out the Canning Funnel and other innovative products from Progressive.
The coffee brewers. Providing the perfect cup comes from the design of our brewers that meet strict guidelines set forth by the ECBC and SCA Gold Cup brewing standards for the 4 T's. Temperature. Mocha Master's copper boiling element brews between 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit and holds the brewed coffee between 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit via an independent hot plate element. Time. A full carafe brews in 4 to 6 minutes with the correct saturation level. Turbulence. This brew process creates a perfect coffee color and even extraction. And total dissolved solids, or TDS. Solubles between 18% and 22% in everything. Quality and craftsmanship is also important, which is why every Mocha Master coffee brewer carries a 5-year warranty and is handmade in the heart of the Netherlands using only quality European parts that ensures longevity of your brewer and are cleanable, repairable, recyclable, sustainable, and plastics are BPA, BPS, BPF, and phthalate-free. Mocha Master coffee brewers are timeless in design and will grace your home with elegance that's matched only by its quality.
The NutriNinja Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. Pro extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.